Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now, I typically don't do this, but this is part 2 of a video that I did where I was reading a comment, and the comment was so fucking stupid, I had to reply with the fucking video. Like, literally, I just wanted you guys to see what kind of freaking idiotic comments there are. This is abso-fucking-lutely gold. Price versus value, homie. Like I said, Craigslist won't offer you gap insurance. Sure, who gives a shit? I can get my gap insurance from my insurance company, and if my insurance company is some kind of ghetto-ass insurance company that doesn't offer gap insurance, well, guess what? You can switch insurance companies. You're not a fucking tree. You're not binded to them. You're not a Siamese twin with your insurance company. You can just switch them. In fact, I recommend people switch your insurance companies every single year, or at least price shop them, because your insurance companies will not lower your price, your monthly fucking bills with your insurance company. They will actually go up, 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 up. If you don't shop, I know it's fucking crazy. If you don't believe me, try it. Go call insurance broker and literally tell them to find lower insurance costs than what you are paying right now. And he's gonna find you lower, especially if you've been with the company for like 5, 10 fucking years. Because what they're doing is raising your price behind your back, even if you don't have fucking accidents or nothing. I know, I'm not even trying to get into fucking insurance scams with here, but let's keep going here. A certified pre-owned warranty. You buy a good quality car and you don't need a fucking warranty. CarMax is $5 on our Facebook group, 60-Minute Cars, $5 fucking, and I don't make a single fucking dollar off that shit. I'm not promoting some kind of fucking thing where I'm making money. It's a random person who's just offering the service, CarMax, for $5 fucking. It used to be that you can buy it from eBay, but then CarMax found a bunch of sellers on eBay who were doing it for $5, and they banned them because, you know, CarMax, you know, they're great fucking company. Reconditioned vehicle, fluids stopped off, new tires, spare keys, year full of oil changes. Fuck me. You are paying for all that shit. If you are getting spare keys, Carfax, year full of oil changes, fluid stopped off, what else? New tires, whatever the fuck you're getting, a blowjob on the side. You're paying for that shit. You really think that dealership is gonna be giving you shit for free? Do you not know how fucking businesses work? Are you serious? You're not getting shit for free. And guys, if you hear like a storm in the background, I live in Miami and there's a huge fucking storm outside. I'm just so fucking pissed off that I'm like, I don't care if there's World War fucking 3 going on. I'm making this video. This shit is going up. Need I say more? Yes. I would love to hear more logical things why CarMax makes sense to buy from. They fucking don't. But yeah, go save yourself $500 and hopefully you get lucky with the lemon. If you're saving yourself $500 in a car, you better be buying $2,000 car. That's all I have to say. And hopefully try to get lucky and not buy a lemon. Like I said, take the car for pre-purchase inspection in the previous video. Watch the previous video. I literally teach you how to take a car for pre-purchase inspection, even if the car is in a different state. Because if you do, you're fucked. Actually, not really. If a car is a lemon, the manufacturer is gonna take it. The manufacturers are gonna fix it. I wouldn't worry about that. Really, I wouldn't. Also, those cars on Craigslist may be distressed prices, but not actual market value for. I don't care about market value. I talk about that in previous video. How market value pricing is actually fixed. It's faked. It's rigged by dealerships. Just look at KBB. I spoke about KBB in my previous video. KBB is a fucking joke. I mean, it's a joke. It's a shit company. It was started by a guy who was a fucking dealer. A dealer started KBB. He was the guy that decided. His name was Kelly's Blue Book. He owned a Ford dealership, and then he started a book of what he was gonna pay for cars. It wasn't third-party fucking consumer thing. A dealership fucking started KBB. And it still is that way. To see if you're getting screwed over a car, as long as CarMax is able to offer that, then it's good. KBB is fucked. I mean, don't use KBB for anything. They're garbage. I don't need to make a video about something that no one is complaining about, only you are. Are you fucking kidding me? Literally, go to YouTube if you don't believe me and put in simple terms. CarMax scam, CarMax ripoff, CarMax trade-in. Oh my God, just look at some of those videos. When you said, why would you want to give your car to a huge company and not some old family that needs the car? Haha, bro, you're listening to yourself. Yes, I am listening to myself. Guess how many jobs CarMax is able to create? Oh, do you know how many jobs meth labs are able to create? Do you know how many jobs poppy fields are able to create? Do you know how many jobs coke kingpins are able to create? Do you know how many jobs pimps are able to create? It doesn't fucking mean those jobs should exist. Come on, get logical. By you trading your car to a dealership, you're helping economy circulate. By you buying crack, you help economy circulate. Buy more crack. Just because there's a product for sale and there's a business around, it doesn't mean it's a good fucking product. It doesn't mean this business should fucking exist. Get some research in before you start boasting out to simpletons who only agree with your logic. Guys, the amount of people that disagree with me is huge. Look at this fucking comment. Look at this. It's insane. The amount of salespeople that are jumping out on my fucking streams, the people that are salespeople and managers that disagree with me, there's a bunch of them. There has been only one person that actually agreed to do an interview with me. One fucking person. One. And at the end of the interview, I'm gonna be honest with you, he agreed with me on everything. Because this is stupid, guys. You think these car dealerships have your best interest in their mind? Is that why they fucking charge you $1,200, $1,500, $1,700 for dealership fees? Is that why they're hiding all these little fees in there? Is that why they have fake pricing all over the place? Anybody who is a fucking lawyer, anybody who is like freshman in a law school can sue these dealerships and make a fucking living. Make an entire fucking career just suing dealerships. It's insane. And the only reason that they're doing this, the only reason this fucking industry exists is because they are, I can't say bribing, I can't say that, but what I can say, they're donating. They are donating all over the face of the politicians that we have. These fucking senators, these fucking people who represent your state, people who represent your city, people who represent your county, all of them get a piece of the pie from these cunt bags right here. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those two videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in another video.